Guys, happy new year 2025. I hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Yeah, I know I've been away for some time. That break was really much needed. Yeah, so I'm back and I hope you're going to be consistent this year. Yeah guys, so today I want to do some juicing. Amazing juicing, and I'll be explaining why I'm doing some specific juices, yeah, as the video goes on. So before I show you the items I got from the market for the juicing, I really want to appreciate all of you for clicking on today's video. Thank you so much for clicking, and for the new subscribers, welcome aboard. For the oldies, thank you so much for always engaging with my content. I love you so much. Yeah, and if you're new here, please remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video so that you can reach a wider audience. Yeah guys, also guys, we are road to 2,000 subscribers. Please help a girl attain that goal. So I got some managu. This is black nightshade, some apples, some pineapple, cabbage, cucumber, and we have some carrots and mint leaves here. The entire market, there was no fresh mint leaves, so I got what I could just get my hands on. One person had this, and only one person in the whole market. Yeah, so I also got some mangoes, more cucumber, more mangoes, receipts. More mangoes. Yeah. So guys, sometimes we need to tell you what goes on at times. So recently I had an ulcer attack. Yeah, the last time I had issues with ulcers is more than 5 years ago. But I don't know why it's coming back. I'm stress-free and I'm checking on what I eat.
You're loving me, it goes like
till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Be careful.
Through the wastelands, through the
Be careful,
highways.
boo-boo.
And
chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one, I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one, I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one, I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like we are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. On we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. She stole a smile and my heart responded. She's everything I never knew I wanted. And money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glamorous. Natural beauty, what it's all about. Tell something to me, can't figure it out. I never thought that I would find someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention, beautiful soul.
And so guys, I have finished preparing or juicing my juices. Yeah, so each juice has its benefits and that's why I went for it. So this cabbage and carrot juice is good for your gut, especially if you're suffering from ulcers. I have been taking this juice for so many years and then I stopped, and I'm now beginning again. So I feel like the ulcers are coming back. So I'll just go back to the routine I used to have more than 5 years ago of taking this juice early in the morning before taking anything, making it a norm to take it like twice a week, at least twice a week. Yeah, if you can.
Mommy?
So guys, the benefits of this, as I've said, is for ulcers and for your well-being and digestion. It improves digestion too. Yeah, so apples, it you don't have to include apples in this juice, but I did it to improve the taste. The taste of cabbage and carrot juice is not usually the pleasing one. So since I didn't want to put any sugar, that's why I went for some apples to just spice it a bit and make it better when taking it. Yeah, so I'll be taking this at least twice a week. I'll be blending it. That is what I mean. I'll be blending it at least twice a week. So once this bottle is finished, I'll do another one. So the other juice is this pineapple mint juice. Yeah, so this one is if you want to improve your immunity, please take this. Kuzuia hizo homa zenye zinakuja every other week, just make it a norm to drink pineapple and mint juice. And also for your skin, yeah, my skin is now improving because of juices. Normalize taking juices. Yeah, a mango juice is just the normal mango juice, utamu wake tu ndio maana nimetengeneza. And then mangoes are in season, zinaisha but mimi bado naziona. Yeah, that's why guys I made these wonderful juices. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please guys remember to subscribe down below. It's totally free. If you found the video helpful, please share the video so that other people can see it and learn something from it. Remember to like the video. So I'll see you again in my next video. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.